Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to get a TikTok stream key. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser and search for tiktok.com and sign in your account. Okay? So if your account have 1,000 followers, you have the capability to go live here on TikTok. But here on my account, I don't have that kind of followers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dictate to you what you need to do. But don't worry because this is just a quick and easy tutorial. So once you've signed in on your TikTok account, click on the Go Live button. So you should see the Go Live button right here at the left side of your screen. Okay? So once you've clicked on that, just go ahead and click on Live Room. Okay? So once you are in the live room, what you need to do is to just go ahead and scroll down and you should see the Go Live button at the lower right side of your screen. Okay? So now just go ahead and select a topic or category. Then now select a title for your live. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Save and Go Live button. Then after that, you should be able to see your stream key and the stream key is hidden. So just go ahead and click on the eye icon if you want to see your stream key. Okay? And that is how you get a TikTok stream key. Okay? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.